Alright guys, hope you're doing well. This is Lucas and I'm back to you in another video. This is going to be my reaction video to Season 2, Episode 2 of Buffy. As you can see, I'm back in Florida and all set up once again like it used to be. So, pretty exciting stuff. I've taken a little bit of a break, partly because I had a few things to take care of. But I've taken some time, and the new exciting news is that I actually created a Patreon account really recently. So feel free to check that out, that would be great. If you pledge yourself to me on Patreon, you would have access to more content, some more videos that will be posted earlier on that you'll get to see before anyone else. So pretty exciting stuff, go there, check me out if you're interested. But anyways, really excited to get into this one because last episode was absolutely insane, guys. And without further ado, this is Season 2, Episode 2 of Buffy. Let's go.
Come on, Stefan, rise and shine. Some of us have a ton of trig homework waiting.
Who's gonna rise?
You make noise when you walk. You stomp or yodel.
I heard you.
Yodelody.
Lazy Bones here doesn't want to come out and play.
I just thought you'd have somebody with you. Xander or someone.
Xander. Nope. Why? Are you jealous?
You're really starting to imply something between her and Xander. I know.
Is it because I danced with him? One little dance, which I only did to make you crazy, by the way. Behold my success.
It was a hot dance.
You're not jealous. What, vampires don't get jealous?
See? Whenever we fight, you always bring up the vampire.
Well, I didn't come here to fight.
Kill that thing with a shovel.
Look at those tracks. Whoever was buried here didn't rise from this grave.
Okay.
She was dragged from it.
He's practicing.
Boy, I guess we never realized how much you like that chair. Hey, I got a thing, you maybe have a thing, maybe we could have a thing.
Well, thank you, sir, no.
I'm not finished. Didn't you say, how do you feel about Mexican?
Mexicans?
Mexican. Food. You take
About Mexicans.
Hey,
Oh, last night, did Mr. Korshak show up on schedule?
more or less.
On schedule.
Take care of it.
He is freaking English.
Smile.
Hey.
Oh, that's not creepy at all.
Are mandatory. I don't think anyone should have to do anything educational in school if they don't want to.
The tomato.
Fruit doing? We are under fluorescent lights, for God's
The
sake.
camera loves you.
I didn't think yearbook nerds came out of hibernation till spring.
Cordelia is so fine. You know.
It's true. I didn't really notice until this season.
She's alive.
Meredith Todd died in a car accident last week.
Of course, I have learned to deal with my pain.
High pep squad.
Clearly though,
We do a game.
Cordelia is with them now, or is around them. So,
She
one
wasn't
of my
killed by
predictions,
vampires.
remember.
Somebody did dig up her corpse. So we should see if the other girls from the accident are AWOL too. Maybe we can figure out what this creep has in mind if we know whether or not he's dealing in volume.
So we dig up some graves tonight?
Oh boy, a field trip. You gonna call Angel?
I don't think so.
Yeah, why bother him, huh?
Angel and I have been,
Xander so happy.
never mind.
Real quiet, kind of in his own world. I heard their mother doesn't even leave the house anymore.
I think we're there.
Much? Move over.
Guys, if we don't get this down by tomorrow, no one's gonna be led by our cheer. Xander Harris, if this is some kind of joke.
Holy crap. Doesn't look good at all.
Cordelia, this is the last place I expected you to hang out.
God, it's you. Why
What
would
is
you
he
come?
doing here?
I wasn't sure it was you at first.
Hold on, my skirt is cut.
There.
Ew. What? Just hanging on to him.
Xander, Angel, I thought you were taking the night off.
I-
What I saw didn't add up to 3 whole girls. I think they kept some parts.
Could this get yuckier?
Joel, can you take me?
What? What's going on?
Okay, great. I'll drive.
Angel and Cordelia? Where did this come from?
I'm going out, Mom.
Whatever.
I'll be back later, okay?
Mom?
Yeah.
I think it's fair to say Chris is involved.
He's in a corpse is all right, but we still don't know why.
Yes, we do.
What in the hell?
People don't fall in love with what's right in front of them. People want the dream, what they can't have. The more attainable, the more attractive.
He would know.
Very good.
Okay, Giles, just remember. I feel a thing, you feel a thing, but personalize it.
How do you feel about Mexican? That's the most important part.
Appear indecorous. No, not indecorous.
He's not listening.
What?
Rupert, look, I've got to get inside and set up the lab.
What I'm proposing.
I gotta go. Sorry.
Not fast enough. You gotta be quicker than that.
Idiot.
You're going too, right?
Oh, of course. Always do.
So we should just go together. Look, I could pick you up after school and we'll grab a bite to eat on the way if you like.
There you go. That's...
Good. Okay. And then whatever it is you want to tell me, you can just tell me then. Okay?
Girls are just better at this stuff, you know?
Tonight, then.
But they just don't do it.
Chris and Eric didn't come to school today.
That's no coincidence.
Maybe they finished their project. God. What if it worked? What if that poor girl is walking around?
Poor girls, technically.
You will lose the entire body if you don't attach a head suit.
We have time.
We don't! The crash with the girls was lucky. We can't just keep waiting around for another lucky accident to drop a head in our laps.
So they're gonna cut ahead?
You know what we have to do.
This episode is really peculiar,
It's just
let me
one
tell
last
you.
girl.
Who's that?
Make me.
But you gave me your word. You promised me, little brother, that I wouldn't be alone.
Now it's Frankenstein monster. Better and better.
Perfect.
Third and long. Seconds to go. Where do you throw? Where do you throw?
They're trying to make me feel bad. It's not working at all.
Daryl's gonna drive.
Just make a girlfriend for
Show me.
Frankie here. I'm gonna call him Frankie.
This one.
Bet he chose Buffy.
Man of taste.
Cordelia. That's 1 out of 3 chance.
They're gonna need something really fresh.
How fresh?
As fresh as possible. Buffy, you don't think that they would...
I think anyone who cuts dead girls into little pieces does not get the benefit of any doubt. Hi, I'm a friend of Chris's. I kind of need to talk to him. Do you know if he's home?
But is Chris home? I don't know. Is today a school day?
Oh, watch. Watch this move. Daryl takes the kickoff. He sheds 1, 2, 3 defenders, and he breaks into the open field for a 95-yard touchdown.
She obviously lost it because her other son is... Oh.
Oh, God. Chris, you scared me. What are you doing in here?
Come to collect a head.
Mom.
What in the hell?
Are you okay? Oh, my God, Buffy.
Don't worry, he's gone.
I was on my way down to the field when Chris came in and all of a sudden someone jumped me. You don't understand. I have to go. I'm the apex.
Hey, at least give her that. She's committed. Do something.
Nothing's changed. We can still do this. You and me. Your brother's not the only one who can create life.
He would never go out.
He's gonna pick up where you left off.
I don't know what it is about football that does it for me.
Rugged American football.
And that's funny because?
No, I just think it's rather odd that a nation that prides itself on its virility should feel compelled to strap on 40 pounds of protective gear just in order to play rugby.
Is this your normal strategy for...
Wouldn't it be funny if they just put a dude's head on? That would be hilarious. The guy thinks he got what he wanted and then nope. I mean, unless he's into that kind of thing, but does not seem like it. He really likes Cordelia, doesn't he?
Please, what's going on? Just take off the blindfold. I promise I won't scream. I promise.
I bet she would. That's what I said.
Scream all you want. We're in an abandoned... You're gonna feel a little pinch, maybe some discomfort around the neck area. But don't worry. When you wake up, you'll have the body of a 17-year-old. In fact, you'll have the body of several.
Oh.
Is that?
I promised him that.
All the guy's gotta do is get some game and just go out and find a girlfriend. Anyone can.
But we can hide together.
Please. Please.
Sterile enough for government work.
Where's he gonna come with that?
No, please.
Oh.
Buffy, help me.
Buffy's here to crash the party.
Daryl, listen. I know what you're doing, okay? Your brother sent me to stop you.
He wouldn't do that. My brother loves me.
Buffy, they're crazy.
It's okay, Cordelia. I'm gonna get you out of here.
No, I'm not done with her yet.
Oh, some fire is gonna come. Xander's got this. Huh.
She's mine. Daryl! No.
Seriously gonna do that?
Together always. No. Mine.
She wasn't even, like, alive or built.
Yeah. We're okay.
You ever think that the world is a giant game of musical chairs, and the music stopped, and we're the only ones who don't have a chair?
All the time.
Xander, I just wanted to thank you for saving my life.
There we go. Cordelia and Xander.
What you did in
Perfect.
was really...
Crazy, like a 241-year-old being jealous of a high school junior.
Are you fessing up?
I thought about it. Maybe it bothers me a little.
I don't love Xander.
Yeah, but he's in your life. He gets to be there when I can't. Take your classes, eat your meals, hear jokes and complaints. He gets to see you in the sunlight.
Oh, that's right.
I could walk you home.
They're cute. Alright guys, that was my reaction to Season 2, Episode 2 of Buffy. Sorry if I seem a little tired there, it is pretty late, so yeah. But anyways, yeah, I really like that one. Obviously, I like it a little less than the first one. The first episode of the season, I think, was a little better. This one was interesting as well. Kind of strange on some aspects, but that's a whole other story, and you probably see what I mean. I'm not gonna say a whole bunch here, except I pretty much liked it all around. It had some nice character developments, and we kind of see that Buffy and Angel are still actually a thing, so that's pretty good. But anyways, check out my other videos. I posted another video which is a Lord of the Rings marathon, which I had a lot of fun doing the other day. It was an awesome thing. I'll have a link in the description. Definitely check that out. That would be awesome. Check out my Patreon page. Obviously, I don't have that much content out there for you right now, but in the future I'll definitely have one video that it will be available on Patreon before it is posted on YouTube, so you might want to check that out. But anyways, as usual, thank you for watching, like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. We are only 50 subscribers away, so definitely subscribe and let's reach that goal. It will be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
See don't